Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about the terminologies which are used in EIGRP. So these are the terms which are used in EIGRP like FD, RD, successor and feasible successor. So let's understand the meaning of each and every term. Okay, so let's start with FD and RD. So first FD. FD stands for feasible distance. Now what is FD? Basically it is the metric or the distance from source to destination. And what is RD? RD is also called as AD and the full form is reported distance, or you can say that advertised distance, and it is defined as the distance or metric reported by neighbor. Now let's understand this thing within help of example. So here is an example. Okay, so we have three routers, R1, R2 and R3, and I'm going to consider this network. Okay. So R1 will be having some metric to reach 30 network, R2 will also be having some metric to reach 30 network. Similarly, R3 will also be having some metric to reach 30 network. So the metric from R3 to this destination network, the metric from source which is R3 and the destination is 30 network. So whatever the metric will be FD. Similarly, R2 will also calculate its metric to reach the 30 destination network, and that will be the FD of R2. Similarly, R1 also calculate its metric to reach 30 network, and that will be FD of R1. Okay, so every router is having FD to reach a destination. Okay, and FD is nothing, it is just the metric. Okay, so on R1 is the source and the destination is 30 network. So the whatsoever the metric comes between R1 and 30 network will be the FD for R1. Okay, now what is RD? See, now let's suppose the FD for this particular network on R3, let's suppose it's 10. Let's suppose when R2 calculates its FD, it comes out to be 20, and let's suppose when R1 has calculated, it comes out to be 30. So FD I think is clear to you. Now comes to RD. So basically now R1 FD is 30, but who is R1 neighbor? R1 neighbor is R2. Right now R1 neighbor is R2. So what is the R2 FD to reach 30 network? It is 20. Now R2 will report this FD to its neighbor R1 that I am having the FD of 20 to reach 30 network. Then it becomes RD for R1 that my RD is 20. That means the distance reported by my neighbor. This is that distance which is, or that metric which is reported by my neighbor. Similarly, R2 FD is 20. What about the RD on R2? It is the distance reported by its neighbor. So the neighbor distance is 10. That will become R2 RD. Okay. Now what about R3? R3 FD is 10. What about R3 RD? There is no other router which is telling R3 about this network. So RD will be 0. So this is how every router calculates their FD and RD to reach the destination. FD is simply the metric from source to destination, and the RD is the distance reported by the neighbor. Okay, so this is about RD and FD, and then the next is successor and feasible successor. Guys, successor is defined as the best path to reach the destination. For an example, if a router is having multiple paths to reach a destination, now which path will be best? The path which will be having the least metric, or you can say that the path which will be having the least FD will be your successor. Okay, and the feasible successor is defined as the backup path to reach the destination, and there is a condition for any route to become backup route, that is called feasibility condition. Okay, so that's all about this topic. Thank you so much for watching this video.